Okay, we're going to use Compensure to do something very simple but very annoying. We have a payroll here, and then we have all the contracts of all the employees here. And each contract has the rates that the employees should be being paid. Now we want to map all this data together, and that's going to suck because we're going to have to go through every contract and look at it with our eyes. Gross, disgusting. But what if? What if I told you could just open up the Compensure side panel and just ask it? And we are off. I just asked it to do this, add a new column to payroll.xlsx, which is the name of the contract, and it's just going to do that for me. I don't need to do anything. I'm just going to answer some emails. Okay, brilliant. So it's added 3 new columns, the contract name, whether a match has been made, which it has in all cases, and then a cleaned version of the full name. So great. It's just added these for us. Now we know which employee belongs to which contract. So next thing to do, let's just get the hourly rate out of the contracts and put it in the next column. Okay, again, we're just asking in plain English. Add to the payroll the hourly rate of each worker, which is found in their contract, and reference the contract file name to be able to do that. Okay, we're done. I just answered all my emails, which is amazing. In the meantime, it got us the overtime rate and the standard rate of every single employee. And we can check this because we can filter by name. Let's sort by name right now, just using the Excel that we know and love. How the hell do you sort columns in Excel? Yes, expand and sort. Okay, cool. So like you can see, Zella has the same number here. Yadin has the same number. Willis has the same number. So all these numbers make sense and they're all matching up. And you can see exactly what the model did. It tells you all the things it did, shows you all the steps. You can look through it and understand it all if you really want. And now for the big bit. The timesheet has 500,000 rows in it. We need to work out for each of these payroll periods, how much work did the person actually do? Once we have that, we can work out how much they should have been paid, and we can find out errors. So that's going to be hard. It would be hard if it was just us doing it, but luckily we have Compensure. So let's go. Okay, wonderful. Moment of truth. So we now have this standard hours worked column, which is based on an analysis of this 500,000 line timesheet, which says for every worker, for every half hour of every day, were they on the clock or off the clock? And these are the numbers we're getting, 120, 140, rah, rah. Now, we need to compare that to the standard hourly rate and then the actual amount that the worker got paid, which is over here. Okay, so we just used regular old plain old Excel to get the total amount owed, and then we calculated the diff between that and the actual amount paid. And so now all we have to do is sort to find the discrepancies. So one worker we paid $0 twice, and then one worker there was $100. We didn't pay them, and here we go. So D. Myers is the $100 guy. He was paid $100 too much, or too little. And then over here, M. Bede was paid 0. And that's it. We got it. Did we have to do any work ourselves? Basically, no. We just asked Compensure to give us the stuff we needed in plain English. Did we have to wade through a timesheet with 500,000 rows in it? No. Did we have to look at any of these contracts at all? No! It just worked. So, give it a shot.